Nilinaw naman ni Vice President Sara Duterte ang layunin ng kanyang personal trip sa Australia. Hindi anya ito para sa interim release ni dating Pangulong Duterte. Ito'y matapos niyang idetalye na ang Australia ay isa sa mga bansang kinokonsidera ng mga abogado ng dating Pangulo sa International Criminal Court para sa kanyang pansamantalang paglaya. Sinabi po ni BP Inday na nasa Australia siya para talakayin ang mga issue at non-performance ng administrasyon sa mga Pilipino na nasa nasabing bansa.
Yes, oo. As I said, I am here because of number one, the ICC, the International Criminal Court, and the case of former President Rodrigo Duterte. And number two, I am here as well for our country to discuss issues and the non-performance of the administration of President Marcos with the Filipino people. Alright, thank you.
Okay, na 25 minutes.
Magdala siya sa mga dahilan kung bakit daw hiniling ang interim release ng dating Pangulo ay dahil sa kawalan ng gana nitong kumain sa lagay ng panahon. Labis daw itong namamayat at nawawala sa kondisyon.
Yes, you haven't seen him this thin before. I don't think he's ever been this thin since maybe before his marriage. So he's thick thin because of the lack of appetite and because of the weather. It's very cold for him. He's not used to the cold. And I think it's the way that they cook. The food is not really traditional Filipino food. But I'm happy that he gets rice every day.